Alright guys, hey, I'm here to show you what I've been making again for the second time with this beautiful She Said Yes collection. Remember, everything is in the description box below. I've been making with this for January and February. This is the collector's edition, and then look, I've been going through it on all the digital collection. Well, you can get it digitally. This one you have to order from the kit. And then here is this one. So they're different papers, remember? Okay. So I've made, did I show you guys this last time? I can't remember. I know I showed you my box here, the gorgeous box, the goodies inside. I finally found some little plastic sleeves that these will fit in. Then I did some gorgeous nail file holders. Hope we can see everything. There's that one. They're all a little bit different. So here's those. I love it. The pass out as gifts. So cute, so cute. And then I will show you. I've been making so much these. You guys know I love to make these. I did find some sleeves for these as well. I love them. They're just the notepads. Oh my gosh. Like that. To give as gifts. Because those are so perfect, especially like in an office or in the school setting, you know. This one. The washing machine is on. I love this one. Look at that. I love that ephemera so much. And this, I love that car. I love that background so much. And the book. Of course, I put some tulle behind everything. I got a new washer. It's loud. And that one. And that's one of the ephemeras as well that comes with the kit. So I made 6 of those. And then this was the one that I had so much fun with. So those were just like the goodies to pass out as gifts because I kept wanting to make and make and make. But look at this. So this is just some canvas I had that was in, like, I recycled. I think like a comforter came in it, and it was the branding strip. So I cut it apart. I sewed it together. Oh no. Okay, I sewed it together. This is one of the charms that was in the collector's kit. And then I put just a tassel. And this was in the collector's kit, this bow. I ripped it, and then I put ink on the edges, and then I double layered it or triple layered it. Do you see? And then this is one of the ephemera pieces that was in the kit. So I glued it on there so you could have your own little bag. Oh, this was so fun. And it just slides inside. Okay. So you can see the branding in there. So here's the little tag bag. Okay, this I think goes in the front here. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see if we can. So this guy, I do believe is supposed to go in the front. I think it fell out. And this is with the collection. and the lace, and then no, I didn't cut this one. This one came in the collection, the collector's kit. And then this. Oh, I love it. I don't know how I know one of them fell out and then I put it back, but here's the tags. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that little door frame. Or that door, the entryway. So I think this one is small, so I thought it was supposed to go there. But when I turned it, it flipped. So here's the front of that one. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then, look at that. Look at that. So here's the tag for this one. Oh. Isn't that so pretty, the layering and then all the trim here? And then this one, I had so much fun with this. I put like a little key right here on the pocket watch. And this I just used with scraps. Ah! Then I just pieced it together. And then here she is. So here's each tag. And then this was a part of the cut apart, and it's supposed to sit in here as well. Everything just fell out one day. I was moving stuff. Oh, isn't that so pretty? That's from the collector's kit collector's edition there. Collector's edition kit. I love it. And so those go together. I just love the dreaminess, the shabby chic. Oh, so pretty. And then this one, these go back here. And then this one is by itself. And then it looks like these two. Was it these two? Or somehow, how did this go? I'm not sure how I had it. There, maybe it was like that. The tag flip book, and then it just slides right into the bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love playing with this collection. She said yes. It's so fun. It's so pretty. You gotta be careful. I don't know how I did it. There we go. But make sure to check everything out. I'm so excited to see what everybody's making. I had such a blast with this collection. I always do for Sandy stuff. There we go. And then the top. Isn't that so pretty? And if you want to make a gift, you could just slide one of these in there as well. The nail files. I don't have many scrap. Like, I've been going through it so much. I just love it. I think they're so, so pretty. Just the little nail file holders. And then, of course, all my little books that I've made. And these. Oh, I had so much fun. Just going insane with all of it. So make sure to check everything out in the description box below. There's tons of coupons, Facebook groups, all of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.